Tiny bumps, also known as miliar, is very common skin problem. These are small white bumps that appear on the skin. They usually appear when keratin build up and gets trapped under surface of your skin. They usually appear in a group on your face, especially on the nose, cheeks, forehead, and chin. Remedies are pretty simple and very easy to follow. If you are looking for some natural ingredient, you can try fuller's earth powder and sandalwood powder. Take equal amount of multani mitti and sandalwood powder in a clean bowl. Make a paste of this by adding distilled water in this. Mix it well, and your DIY is ready. Apply this paste on your face with the help of brush, leave it for 10 minutes, and then rinse your face with cold water. Moisturization is extremely important after this step, as clay will dry your skin. Make sure you use a good water-based moisturizer on your face.